Have you ever wondered about the world of dinosaurs? These colossal creatures ruled the Earth millions of years ago, long before humans even existed. They were the true kings and queens of our planet, walking on the same ground we walk on today. Imagine a world where the sky is often darkened by the vast bodies of enormous creatures, where the ground shakes with every step of these titanic beasts. This was the world that dinosaurs called home. From the ferocious Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of the predators, to the gentle, plant-eating Brachiosaurus, dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, each unique in their own way. But how do we know all this? How do we know about their existence, their lives, and their eventual extinction? The answer lies beneath our feet, hidden in the layers of the Earth's crust. Through the discovery of dinosaur fossils, we've been able to piece together the ancient world of these magnificent creatures. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of animals, plants, and other organisms from the remote past. When a dinosaur died, its body would often be covered by mud or silt. Over time, the soft tissues would decay, leaving only the hard bones. These bones would then gradually be replaced by minerals, turning them into stone. This process is known as fossilization. Hundreds of years later, these fossils are discovered by paleontologists, scientists who study the history of life on Earth through the fossil record. By examining these fossils, paleontologists can learn about the dinosaur's size, diet, age, and even how it died. Imagine being a paleontologist and uncovering the fossil of a dinosaur. It's like being a detective. But instead of solving a crime, you're solving the mystery of a creature that lived millions of years ago. So whether you're a budding paleontologist or just a dinosaur enthusiast, there's no denying the fascinating allure of these prehistoric creatures. They may be long gone, but their legacy continues to captivate us. So, buckle up as we journey back in time to explore the incredible world of dinosaurs. How did these colossal creatures come into existence, you may wonder? Well, let's journey back in time to a period known as the Triassic, the dawn of the dinosaurs. The Triassic period, beginning around 250 million years ago, was a time of drastic change and new beginnings. The Earth was recovering from the greatest mass extinction event in its history, known as the Permian-Triassic extinction. Over 90% of life on Earth had been wiped out. But as they say, from the ashes, the phoenix rises. And rise it did in the form of the dinosaurs. The world of the Triassic was a hot, dry place. There was only one supercontinent, Pangaea, which spanned the globe. It was here, in this harsh and rugged landscape, that the first dinosaurs began to evolve. But what led to their emergence? Did you know there were different types of dinosaurs? And not just a handful, but hundreds, each with its unique characteristics, habitats, and behaviors. Let's dive into the prehistoric world and explore some of these titanic creatures. Let's start with the ferocious Tyrannosaurus rex, often dubbed as the king of dinosaurs. The T-Rex was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs that ever lived. It had a powerful jaw filled with sharp serrated teeth, each as long as a kitchen knife. But despite its fearsome reputation, the T-Rex had quite tiny arms, which are a source of amusement in modern pop culture. Now let's shift our focus to the gentle giants, the herbivores. Meet the Triceratops, a dinosaur that roamed North America around 65 million years ago. With its 3 horns and a large bony frill, the Triceratops is one of the most recognizable dinosaurs. It used its horns for defense and its beak-like mouth for shearing off plants. Moving on, we have the Stegosaurus, another herbivore, known for the distinctive plates on its back and spikes on its tail. These plates might have been used for temperature regulation, while the tail spikes served as a formidable defense against predators. Next up is the long-necked Brachiosaurus, one of the tallest and heaviest dinosaurs. Its neck could reach up to 40 feet, allowing it to munch on leaves and branches from the treetops. Imagine a giraffe, but on a much, much larger scale. Now let's meet the Velociraptor. Despite what you might have seen in movies, the Velociraptor was actually about the size of a turkey. It was a feathered carnivore that used its sharp claws to hunt down prey, and last but not least, the Ankylosaurus, the dinosaur equivalent of a tank. It was a herbivore with a heavily armored body and a large club at the end of its tail, which it could swing with deadly force. Each of these dinosaurs lived in different periods, from the late Triassic to the end of the Cretaceous, and inhabited diverse ecosystems, from dense forests to arid deserts. Their sizes, appearances, and diets varied, reflecting the wide range of adaptations that enabled dinosaurs to dominate the Earth for over 160 million years. So, from fierce predators to gentle giants, the world of dinosaurs was indeed diverse and fascinating. Each dinosaur was a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment and lifestyle. As we continue to unearth their fossils, we keep learning more about these incredible creatures that once roamed our planet. Their story is a testament to the power of evolution and the ever-changing nature of life on Earth. Ready to be amazed by some intriguing dinosaur facts? Let's dive right in. Did you know that the word dinosaur translates to terrible lizard in Greek? However, this doesn't mean they were dreadful creatures. This term was used to convey their awe-inspiring size and power. Speaking of size, not all dinosaurs were enormous. While the Argentinosaurus could reach a staggering length of 100 feet, the Compsognathus was only the size of a turkey. That's quite a size range, isn't it? And here's something to ponder. Even though we often lump dinosaurs into one big group, they were an incredibly diverse set of creatures. Dinosaurs lived on every continent, including Antarctica, and they roamed our planet for a whopping 165 million years. To put that into perspective, humans have been around for only about 2 million years. Talk about longevity. Now, let's debunk a common myth. We often imagine dinosaurs as these slow, lumbering giants. But some of them, like the Velociraptor, were swift and agile. They could run at speeds up to 24 miles per hour. That's faster than the world's fastest human. As for their diet, dinosaurs were as varied in their eating habits as they were in size. Some, like the Triceratops, were herbivores, munching on plants. Others, such as the infamous Tyrannosaurus rex, were carnivores, hunting other dinosaurs. And then there were omnivores like the Oviraptor, which ate both plants and meat. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that some dinosaurs had feathers? It's true. Fossils of dinosaurs like the Archaeopteryx show clear evidence of feathers. This discovery has led scientists to believe that birds are the descendants of theropod dinosaurs. So, next time you see a bird, remember, it's a little dinosaur in disguise. And now for a bit of a mystery. Despite their massive size, most dinosaur eggs were about the size of a football. Scientists are still puzzled as to why these gigantic creatures laid such relatively small eggs. Finally, let's talk about dinosaur behavior. While it's hard to know for sure how dinosaurs behaved, evidence suggests that some species, like the Velociraptor, might have been social creatures that lived in packs. Meanwhile, others, like the solitary T-Rex, were likely to have been loners. These astonishing facts surely add another layer of fascination to our understanding of dinosaurs. Now, aren't dinosaurs even more fascinating than you thought? Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the world of these prehistoric creatures. But what happened to these magnificent creatures? Well, the answer to that question is still shrouded in mystery. For millions of years, dinosaurs were the undisputed rulers of Earth. They came in all shapes and sizes, from the towering Titanosaurus to the tiny Compsognathus. And then, seemingly overnight in geological terms, they disappeared. One of the most popular theories explaining their extinction is the asteroid theory. Picture this. About 65 million years ago, a colossal asteroid about 6 miles wide came hurtling towards Earth at an unimaginable speed. When it crashed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, it released energy equivalent to 1 billion atomic bombs. This catastrophic event is believed to have caused massive firestorms, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect, blocking out the sun for years. This sudden change in climate would have been disastrous for the dinosaurs. With sunlight blocked, plants would have died off, disrupting the food chain right from its base. Herbivorous dinosaurs would have starved and, in turn, the carnivores that preyed on them. But the asteroid theory is just one among many. Some scientists propose that intense volcanic activity or drastic climate change could have also played a role in the dinosaurs' demise. Regardless of the cause, the extinction of the dinosaurs marked a major shift in Earth's biodiversity. The disappearance of these giants left room for other creatures to evolve and thrive. This event paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually the emergence of humans. It's a stark reminder of the impermanence of life and the ever-changing face of our planet. And just like that, the dinosaurs who had ruled the Earth for millions of years vanished. Yet their legacy lives on, captured in the fossil record, inspiring curiosity and wonder for generations to come. Now that we've journeyed through the world of dinosaurs, are you ready for a fun quiz? Get your thinking caps on because it's time to test what you've learned. Question 1. Which era did the dinosaurs emerge in? Was it the Cretaceous, Jurassic, or the Triassic era? Moving on to question 2. Can you name the dinosaur known as the King of the Lizards? Here's a hint. It's also one of the most famous dinosaurs. For our third question, let's talk size. Which dinosaur holds the record for being the largest to ever walk the Earth? Is it the Brachiosaurus, the Argentinosaurus, or the T-Rex? Question 4. Dinosaurs weren't all giants. Can you name a dinosaur that was about the size of a chicken? And now, for our fifth and final question. What event is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs? Was it a massive asteroid, a deadly virus, or a sudden ice age? Remember, there's no pressure. This is just a fun way to see how much you've absorbed from our journey into the dinosaur world. Whether you're a budding paleontologist or just a curious mind, every bit of learning is a step forward. So go ahead, take a moment to think about your answers. You can pause the video if you need more time. Once you're ready, jot down your answers in the comments section below. It's always exciting to see what everyone comes up with. And who knows, maybe you'll find that you know more about dinosaurs than you thought. Or perhaps you'll discover a newfound interest in these incredible creatures that once roamed our planet. So, are you ready to share your answers? Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all in the spirit of learning and having fun. Share your answers in the comments below, and let's see how many of you can get all the answers right. That's a wrap on our exciting journey through the world of dinosaurs. Together, we've traveled back millions of years to when these mighty creatures first roamed our planet. We've marveled at the staggering diversity of dinosaur species, each with its unique traits and abilities. We've also uncovered some truly mind-boggling facts about these prehistoric giants. Who knew they could grow as tall as a 5-story building or run as fast as a racing car? And let's not forget the cataclysmic event that brought about their demise, forever changing the course of life on Earth. But remember, our adventure doesn't have to end here. There's an entire universe of knowledge waiting to be discovered. So let's keep our curiosity alive and continue exploring the wonders of the past, present, and future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Facts for more such intriguing journeys into the world of knowledge. Until next time, keep exploring.